Okay, so first I got the dividend from available power. So how much is the thousand? This one little bit shady here. Say about 1,000 rupees. So not a 1,000 rupees, 1,000 shares. I got the 300 rupees shares. The dividend. I purchased in here 1,000 shares, and Panacea I purchased 1,750. So I got it 210 rupees. I got it. So unfortunately, in dialogue, I get some mistake. They can't even help me to get back. So even I gained from these two amount 510 rupees. So after uh, so you have to keep it minimum 1,000 rupees in commercial bank account. So unfortunately this money transferred to the dividend into my commercial bank account. So I didn't maintain the 1,000 minimum amount, so I always keep it taking money from there they have. So for that one they have cut 25 rupees for that one. Now I have 1,485. And moreover dialogue I using for easy case, unfortunately that number in my dead number, so some mistakes. So 410 rupees in that dialogue easy case. I called customer service, they are not helping me, so I can't say it's useful. So even in Matgam area, so most of the time they are not welcome dialogue outlook. They are not welcoming us in a hometown. They are not giving proper answer even so. So customer service also I tried for that one. I lost money for 410 rupees. So 410 rupees and this amount service charges. I lost all of my dividend payout. So that means okay, it's a not a win-win situation. It's useless. So I'm not satisfied with that one. So if I'm happy to get the dividend, yeah. After same days, I got the same this problem. So they are detecting service charges and dialogue also not helping. That's a yeah, it's a sad part. Also, it's the first time I got the dividend, so really happy to say that I got the dividend, but I can't enjoy that one for the reason. So it's the same amount. How much I did? No, 510 rupees. I got the dividend first time I got the dividend. Where's the letter? So here, Veliba Power. I got the letter from Veliba Power, and same day I got the same problem. So for that one I can't enjoy. I'm happy for that one. I got the dividends, but I can't enjoy it. So because of those problems. I'm not saying anyone watching it in future. I don't know. In my channel, only three people is there, three substation. I don't know they are watching or not. It's not a problem for me. I just need to get it out from me. So it's really I can't celebrate my dividend. So I don't know. So yeah, it's really sad. So I thought it's a dialogue well established company, but so what really happened in my mobile phone? This is my mobile phone. So I just activate the easy case, but I re-register. They asking the hash 111 hash. They ask re-register, and I re-registered, and then my balance is zero. So I said, okay, I always pay my broadband and TV and mobile phone reload, either dialogue, YouTube unlimited, everything using easy cash. So they said they have no record. So I can point out a dialogue well established company and beat the market dialogue in Sri Lanka. It beat the market. They beat the Celtel, Etisalat, and Tigo, and Hutch, and Airtel. Most of the market they beat it in Sri Lanka. And there's a foreign company also in Sri Lanka. It's a well established company. I really said about that. So I don't know. Customer service really problem in the dialogue. So anyone, but I'm not telling the dialogue negative points. That's a reality in here. So maybe they don't care. Maybe they don't care. So it was established, well established company. So now we don't have any choices for the say our hometown. We can't get it. Mobitel, the 4G, like something like that. For we don't have a good offer, and maybe I don't know. So if I after that problem, I really don't like to use dialogue services. That's the one thing I am in certain. In future, so once I get a job, I definitely going to change it everything to Mobitel until I didn't face any problem from Mobitel. So otherwise, other network. So for now, our hometown we don't have a 4G in the Mobitel like that. So and I don't have Mobitel SIM. In future, if I get a Mobitel, I definitely going to change it. So if I get a job, I definitely going to change the Mobitel everything. So one little bit lit. So from the today, I just really sad. That mean as a when I buying dialogue stock, so I research. So what the CEO people are what they are saying, CEO, okay, they are saying okay, the dialogue this much amount, the like that. See, so dialogue, okay, they have a good relationship with the technology, everything they are explaining, no? So for that one, even they can't do it. Very simple thing. Uh, they can't even. I don't know. So for example, what is that file in here? I create a one number. This is my number, no? So this is my number. So I'm going they create it. Okay, easy case, 410 rupees or something. And again, I registered the same number. So they dialogue. Another problem with the dialogue. They are sending too much of SMS. I don't know from this mobile phone. I'm not using internet or anything. This mobile phone only for contact and using easy case like that. Uh, Really sad, really sad. I'm not saying negative thing to dialogue. So when I reading their annual report, dialogue, dialogue, dialogue as I tell, the annual report, they are saying things really bothering me. That means too much lies. Maybe there's uh, yeah, annual report they are mentioning and too much things. The positive thing, all the positive. Okay, dialogue means it's a like they're creating that kind of image. Okay, their custom relative real custom relative, yeah, customer relation really good like that. They are saying something like that. There's a guy who's chief executive review. That's a guy. I wish command team and business growth revenue. So that's a skill outcost. The when I wrote that, there's a guy. They said really customer service and they increased something like that. When before I read buying that dialogue like that, I go through it. But now that's a reality in whatever in the annual report the CEO, what we call this guy, the group chief of executive. So these kind of people they are saying don't trust it. That's my uh, advice to anyone listening. 'Cause no, I don't have no idea. Investment is a feature today. Yeah, it's a feature today remain. That's a garbage. So what is it? Chatuka Khan, something name, so chairman. So whatever he said as a individual technology, that is bullshit. So they can't even recover the simple task. They don't have any record. They say the customer says there's one lady called. So I forgot that lady. It's something Sudarshan, something name. Tamil. So I select the language Tamil. So unfortunately, it's really say thing before when I go to the abroad the Qatar, before that one I got the direct office and really good, so I'm really happy for that one. Now I really said about dialogue, they are not giving a proper services even though we are using dialogue. That's a sad reality in Sri Lanka. So if anyone using dialogue, that's a same reality. Before when I went to the abroad 2017, for before that one I paid everything dialogue TV because they are good customer service and they are not taking too long to and they'll proper respond. They will help me anyway at that time. For now, it's totally changed. So for anyone thinking of this company is going to be a future, the future what is name called again? Uh, Something I can't even pronounce his name. Hazata Kamaluddin. That it's up to him. I can't pronounce his name. So I don't know what he's saying. He has no idea what's going on in his company. Maybe he old. He don't care. He just that's maybe he don't care. And yeah, really sad. Future today, yeah. So I can guarantee I can say this one. So at that time, 4 years ago, that time they can say the future today, do it now like that. They can say okay that they. I think now they are in past. They are not in future. uh, about the future or today or anything like that, they are not in future, they are in past. Dialogue, I can guarantee dialogue is still in past, not a future. Dialogue already established the future, now they are in past. They are not doing anything, they are not helping, they are not doing anything. So I can guarantee that one. So if you have a doubt, you said okay, do it like that. If you have doubt, anyone, if you watch this one at this time, what's the date called? Anyone is a date all okay, 3/3/2021. So anyone have okay in future, if anyone watching accidentally this video, that's whatever I say. You can for experiment time, you can for free time, you can do it like that. First register the ECKS and deposit 100 rupees or a few amount, and you make one transaction, you reload and pay dialog bill, anything you do, whatever anything, make it record. Okay, call the customer, says okay, I done this transaction, okay, you can check my record, everything. They said okay, yeah, we have everything like that. That's it. And next day you take the same mobile phone and dial same process, you do it again, hash triple one hash, and ask him to register easy cash and register again, and check to your balance is going to be a zero. So look at that. It's the first time I am facing this kind of, even it's a small amount for them, it's not a small amount for me. So that's the one I need to be clear. So for like that, for dialogue, and it's not dialogue. They don't care. If I'm a one guy, maybe dialogue. They don't care. I just really said I can't take it out. So that's why I make it this video, and I don't know. Even I can't happy with that. Even I got the dividend from to stock, so I can't get the satisfaction. I can't celebrate. Okay, this is my first time dividend. That's a thing really bothering me. So I something you try to accomplish for a period of time, but once that one happen, you can't celebrate because of some idiot. They can't check in their computer. They can't like that. So if they anyone said feature today, fuck that dialogue. So I really sorry for him. So I'm not telling her he's not accomplished anything. He already accomplished in Sri Lanka, beat the market, everything in dialogue or Mobitel. Mobitel, I think, still is partially government. So for that one and dialogue. If they continue same path, I already watched several videos about the dialogue. They are sending SMS. I already informed dialogue. You are sending too much SMS like that. I don't even eat the KFC chicken. So in Sri Lanka expensive. They are still sending SMS for KFC chicken. I have no idea. So I asked it how to cut it. They said, okay, we have to do it. I was like, look at that. This is a mobile phone. How can I use the? Okay, if I use the internet only, I can get accidentally select not advertisement and send up my number like that. Okay, this is a mobile phone. How can I get that message? I don't know. And another thing, dialogue, if they are continue the same way, if they get a negative approach like that, they are going to be lose the market in future, not long. So before we got to always dialogue is a positive result, positive videos. Nowadays we are getting the negative. For I just watched one guy explaining dialogue and making fun of dialogue in when vain is vain. So I thought it's going to be okay, one guy. So it's happening to me. So I'm making another video. It's happening to another guy. There will be another video. For that one, it's going to be a problem for to dialogue. Anyone think the dialogue is going to be a feature? Dialogue now they are in fast dialogue. Okay, like the 2000. So 8 to for example, when I buy the dialogues in 2008 or something, 2008 they say okay it's a feature. So now yeah, 2008 they're aiming for feature. 2008 2018, yeah, 2018 they already 10 years completion features colors finish. Now they are in past 2021. Now they are in past, they have no features. Future, they don't have any features, so they already in past. That's a feature. They say okay green. So they are in future 2018 something, that period they are moving to feature. Dialogue TV, dialogue ECKS, dialogue draws, dialogue the wow. Now it's a transfer to draws like that something called eBay section. No, that means online payment. Everything they have done it. So that's a future completion. Now they are in past. They are in past. They don't have a feature in dialogue. So remember that one. If anyone said okay, dialogue is feature, now they are in past. So even simple thing they can't even get it back. So it's not a big thing. So before I had to point out, if I overwrite it, okay, that's a mistake. They don't have a technology. Is it they can't prevent it that kind of mistake? They have to be. No, it's not a 1,000 rupees company or something. It's a 1 million, 2 million. It's a billion or multinational company. I don't know what we call multinational. So it's a huge building, huge company, well established. I say it's a multinational company. So I don't care what the definition is. Okay. For me, it's a multinational company. I don't know. Maybe I have no idea what the multinational meaning. Maybe I think national, multinational. So several national they are covered. Maybe that's a multinational. I don't care. So I say it's a multinational company. So even though they don't have a technology to prevent a override scenario, and they don't have a proper customer service, maybe they lose in touch. And especially this guy. So This guy, okay, he's a founder. Good for him. So I think the not a founder, chairman from the country Malaysia or something. So good for him. He don't care. He don't care about nowadays. I think he's old maybe. I don't care. Maybe he's old, so that's why he just is still in past. Or forget, don't forget that one. He is still in past. Or few focus on society. Yeah, definitely future focus on society. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Definitely super. He definitely is going to future focus on society. Good for him. So he is still past. Maybe he just fed up. Okay, Sri Lanka. Okay, okay. They are foolish people there. Maybe that's why they don't care. But even though this guy, where is our Sham in Sri Lanka? But look at that. Kurup chief executive. And yeah, he just what we call එයාට I don't know how to say it in English. Sinhala I can say it. මෙයා එයාට බැර ගහලා ඉන්නවා. එහෙම තමයි මට කියන්න පුළුවන්. මේ තියෙන මෙයාට හරියට කියන්න බෑ මට. මෙයාට බැර ගහලා ඉන්නවා. නිකන් බොරුවට පච ගහලා ඉන්නවා වගේ තමයි මෙයාගේ මේ දාලා තියෙන රෙවෙනියු එක මේ එක්ස්පෙක්ටඩ් growth එහෙම. ඉතින් හිතන්නකෝ මම මේ වගේ කතා මීඩියෝ දානකොට ෆියුචර් එක දැටමනේ මේ ෆියුචර් එක මේකේ දැටම තියෙන සබ්ස්ක්‍රිප්ෂන් තුනයි. ඉතින් ෆියුචර් එක මම කන්ටිනියු වීඩියෝ දානවනේ. ඉතින් ෆියුචර් කොහොම වුණත් මේක වෙඩි වෙනවනේ. ඉතින් මේක අඩු වෙන්නේ නැහැ කොහොම මොනවද මම කරලා වෙඩි කරනවනේ ඉතින් මේක. So after I got the future, definitely it's going to be affect them. So I don't care what they're saying. So what done in is going to be a future. Remember this one. Dialogue not in future. They are in past. They don't have a proper technology. Whatever they say, their revenue increase not affecting to anything. They are in past. Whatever I am doing is the present. It's going to be a future. It's going to be affecting their revenue, their market. So one is like a one small drop of rain is going to be a huge flood or something like that. So like that. So it's going to be each hometown, each village. They are going to be a TikTok or video, anything. You have negative dialogue. If they didn't prevent it from that one, they don't even have a past also. Good for them. Dialogue will die with their own mistake. Dialogue kill the theater, dialogue kill the hutch, dialogue kill the etiquette, ego. They are established, they are beat the other corporate, so other technical communication industry, but they will die with their own sword. Remember that word, what is called? So, but I'm going to pick the title. What is he is still in past? This I just make it his name, and he is still in past. Dialogue Shaman. I mentioned his name. He is still in past, not a future. His future finished. Now he is still in past. Remember that one. I had to mention that one. They don't have a proper technology. They don't have a any idea how to promote it. They have a established. Remember that one. They have an established company, beat the market. So future today, that means future they are finished. Remember that one. Future they are finished. Already future. Colors. Now they are in past. They don't have a future. They are present. That means 2007, 2008. They say future. Okay. They are come to. They are saying okay. We are going to future. They are going to future. Now they are saying still future. That's wrong. They are still in past. That means they are not invented anything. They are just whatever they are done 2018 or 2017. That's the one they are continuously. Uh, yeah, customer service really sucks. So even Matagama branch, they are not allow us to inside. Remember that one. Our hometown is lockdown. So we clear from more than even Wuhan district also, Chinese Wuhan. China, Wuhan, they also 2 months. We stay in 3 months in lockdown, more than Wuhan. That's the origin of the coronavirus. Still, dialogue customers say they are not allowing inside to their building like that. So that kind of problem in Matkama branch. So I called the Matkama branch. I got the number. So no one answering yesterday. Yesterday, what's the date? Yesterday, Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. I just forgot. Sound some over. Remember that dialogue not going to feature dialogue stuck in past, so they don't care about the customers. So yeah, still nowadays they are competing with the data service like that only. I think so. They are not going to be a present. And I saw it in here. Where is it? Budget telecommunication service something. And yeah, IT and is a telecommunication something. Here they didn't mention anything about a 5G. Oh, don't forget that one game. Comment in that one. So I'm not sure how it's going to be affect the dialogue something. Selling provided established broadcast service. I don't know. Good for them, but dialogue definitely not in future. They are in past. Where's that guy? My man, Datuka Azata Kama. Good for him. Dialogue see. God damn. Peace out. Dialogue.